In a world where we spend countless hours at our desks, whether grinding to work tasks or just playing virtual games, one thing is certain: the importance of a good chair cannot be overstated. Welcome to the Customer Review, where we understand that your comfort is key, and today we're diving into why having the right chair is essential and why this one is a great option under $200 for both work and play. Back then I chose the Orfeo swivel chair from IKEA because it seamlessly blended with the apartment. The small desk, also from IKEA, with the same pattern colors, and of course the affordability. So it was a practical solution. But for long hours at desk, it was a painful decision. It lacked cushioning, it doesn't have full back support and arm rest. So nice. Just standard wheels, but I guess it's okay for now. Nice. I bought this on black. Lower back. I've been using this office chair for a couple weeks now, and I couldn't be happier with my purchase. First of all, it was really easy to assemble. The instructions were clear, and I had it set it up in about 14 minutes. The ergonomic design is really comfortable and gives you great back support. From the lumbar to your head, it helps to maintain a proper posture all the time. I particularly appreciate the adjustable features. The seat height, armrest, and tilt can all be customized to fit my needs perfectly. The chair's build quality is impressive. With the combination of the mesh surface and the ergonomic design, it looks good and stylish for my home desk setup. And I know, guys, it's a huge chair for a small desk. I will improve it later on, I promise. Guys, this chair has it all because this is an investment for your well-being. You won't regret it, and I highly recommend it if you want to upgrade your seat without breaking the bank. Stay tuned for future improvements on this desk setup. Stay comfortable, stay productive, and most importantly, this chair, it's an absolutely buy it.